Walang pangalan. Thank you. Fan status is frozen daw. Keep bagsakin. Frozen? Ano ba ang kanta sa Frozen? I bring stay. Ay, pala mali. Ano pala, mukha na pala yun. si Sabaw. I'll let it go. The snow blows right in the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen. Not an isolation. And it looks like... Ang ganda ng eyeliner ni ate, hindi natatanggal. Si Sheila. Alis ako ng around 8. Nakauwi kami. Around this time. Mga 10. Storm inside. Could not keep it in. Heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in. Don't let them see. Be a good girl. You always have to be. Still don't feel. Let them know. But now they know. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Don't you much maui. Let it ride it. Ride it, ride it. Let it go. Let it go. Perfect girl is gone. I love Darren. Here I stand in the light of day. Let a storm rage on. The cold never bothers me anymore. Baba. Ay, sorry MC kung hindi pasado sa ano mo po, sa standards mo. Pakialis na lang po dito. Thank you so much and thank you for watching by the way. Gabi-gabi na, mag-alas 12 na. Alarma ka pa rin. Hoy, huwag ka papansin, hindi ka naman maganda. Tingnan mo, buti pa si Bulilet Shop. Maganda. Vito, I love that port. Eh, wala na siyang laman. I'll get the other one. Wait lang. Sino pa nga yung pangalan ng pangit na yun? Guys, kung pangit yung boses ko, syempre, hindi tayo hindi tayo magka-timbre, iba yung timbre ng boses ko, hindi pasok sa'yo, alis. Hindi ka maganda. Pangit na nga, pangit ang ugali. Ay, sorry. Hindi pwede, Ate Ans. Ba't parang ang black pa rin ang mata mo? Siyang tunay. Amen. Nasaan ka na ba? Hello, Kay. Hey pala. Lapit na Pasko, lapit na New Year's, guys. Bago na tayo. Hindi nakakakanda. Saan na nga pala yung ano ko? Wait lang. Kunin ko lang yung isa ko paman. Kasi ubos na yung old one ko. What the heck? Wow, I brought a lot of underwear. Because I cannot. Go, Ate Ans. Ganda talaga. Mas maganda ka, Day. Huwag kayong gumaya sa akin. Bad example ako, guys. Maging mabait kayo. Ay, wait lang. Ito Christmas tree namin, kita nyo. Papakita ko sa Christmas tree. Santi Maribit yung naglagay. Santi Maribit na walang kapasyon pa rin. Tingnan mo. May pink. Ano yun? Blue. Hindi siya nakaka-Christmas tree. Ayan o. May pink. May ano to? May yellow. Clown yan, clown. Happy. Saan ba ito mag-flip ulit? Hala, di ko na alam paano mag-flip. Ay, flip cam. Call Rainbow. Rainbow daw si Ja. Happy Pride Month and Christmas. Hello. Yes, I do eat taho. I love soybeans. Pero sumasakit yung buto ko. Wala naman akong gout, pero sumasakit yung kasukasuan ko pag kumain ako ng maraming soy. Hello, Carl. Clars. Kanina pa ako nagbisaya, Rex. Sunshine and the other sunshines cannot understand and the people cannot understand. Sa mga Bisaya, dira, pasensyaan na lang tawag. Mag-adjust na lang ta sa mga Tagalog kay luoy ni sila. Kung iba ko na to, luoy kayo. Kaya di makasabot.
Napagod ako dun ah. Oh my God, sana di ako nag-sip ng ng kape talaga. This is a wrong mistake. Very, very wrong. Okay, pili mo na ako damit ko, guys. I air dry my face. I never wipe it with towel. If I wipe it, but it's with like toner. Ay, hindi guys, hindi. Ha? Anong i-receive mo dito? Wala, be. We'll see. Hindi nang may alam mo. Nakakaroon sa Siargao? No. Not yet in Siargao, guys. I'm ipuning pa for Siargao because I'm not privileged enough. I don't have daddy's money. I don't have mommy's money. I have my own money to pay for my own flight. So, if may times na hindi ako makapay for my own flight, it's from utang from my tito. And babayaran. So, it's still my own money. Thank you, Emma. Pasensya na, Emma, ha? Love you. Sama po ako sa flight mo. I don't know when I'm going home. That's my problem. I don't know when is the perfect time to go home. But anyways, we're just gonna wait. What's going to happen? Shout out kay Carl from Cebu. From Bohol. God bless talaga. God bless Regine. What's the issue po? Cause I got issues. You got them too. So give it all to me and I give mine to you. Let's get in glory with all your problems. Cause I'm the kind of love that's too tired to solve them. Cause I got issues. And I know that you got issues too. Watching from Japan. Konnichiwa! Anong niya sa'yo? Ay, wrong, very wrong. Konnichiwa is Japan. Very wrong. That's Korea na the next. We'll see. Because a lot of people, my mom, my brother wants me to go to psych, but I don't like psychology. Because as an empath, baka ako yung unang maglagay sa sa rehab center kasi hindi ako makapag-let go sa mga na-witness ko na damdamin ng pasyente ko. So, I cannot. Baka ako yung mauna pagbuang sa ako pasyente. Ako yung mauna. It's a fun course. Good for you. I would love to do nursing, but I still have my that's my problem because I still have my contract. I cannot go nursing kasi I need to be on full-time on school, but I still need to work because I have a contract. Because if I don't work, I'll get parang, ang tawag ito? Breach of contract. Because I need to work. I need to do what they want me to do. Ako jud una jud mabuang jud. Toxicity. I get to attach. Tapos ba't ako yung nalulungkot ng sobra? Hindi naman ako yung may problema. Yun. This girl is very sensitive. That's why I don't befriend people that have sad lives. Because I cannot. I'll be crying with them. And it's not gonna, I know I'm not gonna help them because I'll be crying with them. It means that maybe at some point I am allowing them to like stay that forever. So I cannot do that to those people. They deserve better. Gabi na talaga, gabi na. Para maghanap ako ng damit for tomorrow. Kasi may kailangan akong damit. So, assistin nyo na lang ako. Assist nyo na lang ako. Bantayan me. Bantayin nyo ako. Tama ba? Bantayin nyo ako. Hello, Teacher Rion. 23 na ko, day. Being an empath, you know what? Sometimes, being an empath is so tiring. Because you're gonna be really exhausted throughout the day. Kasi you're easily affected with what's ever happening. Ma-absorb mo yung galit, ma-absorb mo yung lungkot, ma-absorb yung happiness. Every emotion, every energy. It's like kanina, like the energy was so overwhelming. Like, I just wanna hide sa CR and never go out. That's how I feel. I won't wish you luck, but I'll pray for you. Angel Lai, you can do this. Love you. Break a leg. I won't wish you luck. Not literal na leg, just do your best and pray, okay? So this one, I'm gonna bring this jacket. This one too. Because I'm a denim girly. I think this one is cute. I'm gonna wear this. This is so cute. And this one. Okay. 5 na pang lakaw. I can use one pants and it's okay. Medtech G. Ay, na di ko medtech. Kapoy. I don't like math. I hate math. I love chemistry. Yes, I love chemistry. But I don't like solving. I like taking care. I like taking care of people. I like doing stuff. Gusto ko lagi akong may ginagawa. Gusto ko lagi akong aligaga. Siguro natakdan ako ni Auntie Maribet, Auntie Tata, ng mga auntie ko dito. Kasi laging aligaga. Kahit wala namang dapat ikaligaga. Relax. Na ganun na tuloy ako. Caregiver. Nursing. Gusto ko lagi akong naglalakad. Gusto ko lagi akong pagod. Kasi ito yung trabaho ko ever since 16. Laging pagura si bakla. So, kailangan ko lagi akong pagod. Parang, kung dati, you know what? Kung dati, Kung dati, di ko na-appreciate yung ganito kapagod. Yung na-appreciate ko yung ganito kapagod. Thank you, Lord, kasi ganito ako, pinapagod mo ako ng ganito. Na-appreciate ko ngayon. Na-appreciate ko mapagod. I like it. Sige pa. ABS, sige pa, pagorin nyo pa ako, please. Bigyan nyo pa ako maraming project. Since paborito nyo naman ako, di ba? I love you, ABS-CBN. I love you, Kapamilya. You know what? Kapamilya is the best. People, they're the best. Yes, equals pera. Maayo dayon yung pasyente. Maayo jud kay sumbagon jud na ako kung tigas ng ulo kasi mga pasyente din na yung family talagang pasyente yung nakakainis, guys. Like I witness man kasi sa kay mami ko tapos sa mga Bisaya na mga pasyente na ang ilang di man ko lang pasyente amoy kuan. Pero kanang mga pasyente nga na yung parents or yung family ng pasyente, yung mga piling doktor, bagbagod man ako ni magbutang ako ni patumar ng doktor, naman ikaw mag-doktor. Magpatay jud ng kuan, kaya na yung pasyente naghingalo na kasi sabi na, "Tema kita, sus ginalaw yung anong tawag nun yung sa dextrose ginalaw." Sige, bayot, mapatay jud ng imong anak. Kasi ngilabot di man ka doktor. Patay talaga. Ang sira ulo niyo. Mga pasaway. Tapos yung pa nakakainis talaga yung kayo na lang mag-rounds. Nakakapagod kayo mag-rounds. Kawawa kayo yung mga nurses. Nakakapagod mag-rounds. Tapos reklamo kayo ng reklamo. Hindi sana di na kayo pumunta ng ospital, di ba? Kasi mas alam niyo pa yung mga medicine na kailangan yung i-take. Really? Kasi so pretty. Ay, sorry, natamaan ka. Tamaan ka, be. Sorry na. Lalo pag di makag-anak sa abroad na nurse, ha, demanding sila. Really? Luoy pod mo, oy! Sama na. You guys better respect people in the medical field, especially the nurses. Kasi, anyways, not just the doctors, but really the nurses, the midwives, the NA, the nurse assistants. Please respect them. They're working really hard. They like give their whole freaking life to all of you. Be grateful. Wala nang oras mama ko sa amin. Selos nga ako sa mga pasyente niya. Inaway ko pa yung mama ko nung bata ako. Ang laki nyo, sobrang laki nyo, na yung oras ng nurses nasa inyo. Yung oras ng mga doktor, ng mga dentista, ng mga lahat ng nasa medical field, nasa inyong lahat. Respect them, please. Kasi yung iba binabastos talaga yung mga nurses din. Nakikita ko nawi-witness ko. Kasi sumasama ako sa ospital, natutulog ako sa ospital, guys. Nasa Siargao ako, oo, pero nasa ospital ako. Kasama ko mama ko. Di ko yan iniiwan. Kung aalis man ako ng umaga, tulog yun. Di pwede istorbohin kasi kung madistorbo yung tulog, lilipad lahat ng tsinelas. Okay? At saka, yeah, you know what? I follow Nurse John sa TikTok and sa IG. Like, everything that, like, he says is real. It's really what's happening. No, I'm not from GL. I'm proud to be at the North. The North is the best. Dinadayuhan niya ng mga feelingon. Ng mga feeling guwapo. Sorry. Let's go. Like, that one. I'll bring this one too. This looks so pretty anyways. Oh my god, you know what? I just reposed that. Nurses is not a profession. Hello? Who's the president in US right now? I don't know the president. Who's the president is. Hello? Not a profession? Then don't go to the hospital when your guys are sick. Dumbass. Sorry. That is stupidity, Trump. Is stupidity. When you get sick, do not hire a private nurse, do not hire a doctor. Kasi most of the doctors is either ang pre-med nila is psych, biology, or anything else, any courses, nurses, medtech, psych, yan yung mga pre-med na mga doktor nyo, ha. Huwag nyong kunin. Mga boystet. Ay, sorry. Pag kayo nagkasakit, tatawanan ko kayo. Ew! Manyakis tong si ex, dear Paulo. Paulo, you're such a manyakis. Yuck. Get out of here. Ano guys? Ang tawag ito? Mass report. Napaka-manyakis mo. Disrespectful to women. Ikaw kaya mag-twerk. Visit ka. Bastos, yuck. Sige nga, pakitaan mo ko ng twerk mo. Twerkin ko yung mata mo. Hindi pwedeng i-block, report nyo. Report yung muta na naman. Muta mo. I-report nyo. The heck? Bastos. Soon, mag-focus na ako, guys. Kasi, I've been planning my life. What do I really want? And I want that. Gusto ko makapagtapos. Yun talaga naman yung dream ko eh. Alam niyo, nagtatrabaho ko para makapag-aral. Tapos, ayun, nagtrabaho ko para makapag-aral. Nag-aral din ako para makapagtrabaho. What a life. Hirap maging Pinoy sa kurap na country. Ang hirap maging Filipino. Alam mo ba ko yung bansa natin? Pero parang ayoko na lang. Parang gusto ko na lang mag-ibang bansa. Kahit doon na lang mag-caregiver. Yung pakialam. Basta makawala lang sa kurap. Pero di pa rin kasi taga Pilipinas ka pa rin, so magbabayad ka pa rin ng tax. Makaalis na dito sa Pilipinas, basic din yung mga mga politics natin. Kairita sila. Hindi sila nakakaganda. Nahihilo ako guys, nahihilo ako konti. Sige na lang Christine, thank you. Ikaw din, Day, maganda ka. Ganda na ganda mo. Alam mo, yung damit ko, puro black. Puro denim. I really love black and denim. This is my problem. Like, I always feel so beautiful in black. I love the color black. I'm not sad at all. I just love black. Now I love red too. Black, red, and denim together. Fantastic. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And green, look at that. Diba? Bagay. Sobrang bagay. Sobrang pasabog siya ang puunay. Ala, nag-azimbik ko? Ala, Day. Grabe jud, Day. Afford jud na ko ang Ozempic, Day. Di mga ni ko ka-afford sa pamasahin na ako, Day. Pamasahin na ko pa ulit, Day, sa Siargao, Day. Mag-Ozempic pa ka ako, Day. Love ko. Brain person, brain. Matanda na ako para mag-pipap, guys. I'm 23 na. Yay, Ami! I'm so proud of you. The boy pod are in na. Registered na pod. So proud. Pageant. We'll see. If it's meant for me, if it's my calling. You guys, you see, that's a really big decision to make or to take. Kasi being on a pageant, you're not just like gonna be there, stand in a stage to look pretty to represent the country. You need to be an advocate for everyone. You need to be a spokesperson for everyone. You need to be the right person for everyone. Because you're gonna be the voice of the voiceless. Ba't ang payat ko pag ganito? Pag ganito, laki ko. Kiss ko na lang sarili ko. Ito, love life ko. Ang sweet naman. Isa pa nga. Diba? Did you ever make out with yourself? Yes. Just now. Ganon. Pag-kiss nga nga, baby. Sweet-sweet mo naman. Si Dilulo. May delikado na, guys. I think it's getting... Delikado na siya, babe. Okay lang, magselos ka. Uy, ganun dapat kayo. Ganun dapat kamahal yung sarili nyo. Kasi kung lalaki pa ako, didate ko sarili ko. I would date a girl like me. If I'm a guy. And if I'm a girl and if I'm a guy, I would date the guy myself. Nako. Date yourself, guys. It's awesome to be single. I love being single. It's the best. Ang sarap maging single. Sobrang sarap maging single. Pilian ka? Oo, dapat lang pilian ka. I would rather cry one time sa breakup than rather crying all day because the guy that I chose to be with is always lying every day. Pili. Cry once in a breakup or cry daily? Exactly. Man yung bikini. Single ka. Super single, guys. Super single. Find me a man. Not a boy. Not a sad boy. A man. Not a F-boy. Not a sad boy. Please. Not a F-boy, not a party boy, not a sad boy. Please! Goodness. Not a sad boy, not a F-boy, not a party boy, not a boy who's boyfriend with every girl. Please! Not Budoy. Wait, I love Budoy Baya in the movie. Kuya Jet did a good job. One of my favorite, that movie. That movie na noon, Seria made me cry. So bad. Magbeto na kayo kung 30 na ako. Marami pa akong gagawin. Marami pa akong papatunayan sa sarili ko. I still have issues too. You know what? I don't think that I'm ever gonna be ready with a relationship. Because I can't even handle myself. I get overwhelmed easily. And bro, I cry a lot. This girl. How sad. Yeah, I would rather... Pag babae, burikat. Pag lalaki, F-boy, burikat din. Burikot. Kaya hilig mangulikot. Burikot. Hilig mang hilabot og laing bae, dili ka balo mo respeto. Mao na. pili ko damit. Hindi ko alam kung anong dadalhin ko. Rich auntie na lang jud ko. Wala na ko'y choice. I don't want a husband. I would love to have a kid. But no husband. Pabuntis na lang. Siguro mga 32. Kung di pa ako makakahanap ng jowa, papakasalan ko na yung bakla kong best friend, si Karkar. Pagkasal kami ni Karkar ng mga 40, kasi yun yung plano namin. Pag 40 na kami, wala kami hanap na partner, kami na lang. Doon tayo sa lavender marriage. Huh? Naka-basketball, naka-black shoes. Ano yun? Ano meron? Ayoko ng varsity, guys. Ekes pag varsity. Yan sila, yan yung mga ano. Mga varsity, mga ano yan. Unless kung volleyball yung varsity. Hindi ano masyado yung volleyball. Pero pag basketball, nasa yung mga ibang ball. Yes. Matutulog na nga ako. Sige na guys. Matulog na tayo. Good nighty.